Welcome back to Out and About. Now, in this part of the programme, we take you to House of Lords in London for a special evening hosted by Baroness Verma. The event was organised by the Indo-Europe Business Forum and saw a number of community figures being awarded for their business achievements over the years.
First of all, it's really important that we do host these events. And you know, your listeners will know that many of the people here today are great achievers in their own right, and we need to celebrate that achievement. As a proud person of Indian origin.
Associates. Good evening, lords, ladies and gentlemen. I, as leader India of Indo-European Business Forum, take immense pleasure in thanking you for taking out your valuable time for attending today's Global Business Meet and IVF Excellence Award 2014. It is indeed a matter of great honor and pride for me to be at this wonderful symbol of one of the oldest and strongest democracies in the world. ये जो फॉरम है ये मदद करता है इंडिया और यूके में रहने वाले बिजनेसमैन की, उनको जो भी दिक्कत आती है लॉ को समझने में या उनको जो परेशानी आती है उनको हम लॉ मेकर तक कम्युनिकेट करते हैं कि कैसे वो अच्छा बिजनेस कर सकें, क्योंकि जब तक बिजनेस अच्छा नहीं होगा और ग्रोथ नहीं होगी, जब ग्रोथ होगी तभी हमारी कंट्री आगे बढ़ेंगी और तभी ये अच्छी जगह बनेगी रहने के लिए जिसमें सब लोग सारे स्टेक होल्डर्स अच्छी तरह रह पाएंगे.
Well, I know I'm standing in on behalf of the Deputy Prime Minister. You know he was in India only the last few weeks, supporting bilateral trade between our two countries. Indian culture and British culture are intertwined, and the importance the Indian community is based for the UK is very important to political life.
Next award for Lifetime Achievement in Sport. Please welcome Mr. Kapil Dev.
I think बहुत अच्छा है. आज दुनिया जिस तरह मूव कर रही है, अगर कुछ लोग मिलके एक बिजनेस कर सकते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा.
I'm going to ask Professor Dr. Rajiv Sood please to come forward and receive the award in the public health category.
Indians who are in fact settled here in UK should now look towards India as a major opportunities. The Australia, in fact Japan and China committing so much of money, the billions of dollars have been committed for investments in India, and there's a huge opportunity which is coming up.
Our best wishes there to Vijay Goyal and his team for organising a fantastic event. Now, just before I leave, I must remind you that this Sunday sees the Diwali celebrations taking place in London's Trafalgar Square. You can catch myself and the rest of the Z team there, so make sure you come along for a fun-filled day out for all the family, and we promise to keep you entertained throughout the day. Until then, we'll see you later on. Take care. Bye-bye.